Hello, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to delete your Namecheap account, here's exactly how to do it step by step. First, go to the Namecheap website and click the account button in the top right corner. Log in with your username and password, then click sign in to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, go to your profile from the settings menu. Take a moment to review and confirm your personal information. You want everything accurate before deleting the account. Next, go to the security section and find your support PIN. Copy this PIN because you'll need it later to validate your deletion request. Now click on Contact Us at the top of the page and then choose Submit Ticket. In the support area, locate the email address under Account Access and copy it. Open your email client and draft a message to Namecheap Support. Use a clear subject line like Account Removal. In the body, include your basic account details, your support PIN, and a short explanation of why you want to delete your account. Send the email and wait for Namecheap's support team to process your request. That's it. Following these steps ensures your account is deleted safely and completely. If you run into any issues, you can always reach back out to their support team for help. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more guides like this.